Good morning. It is, excuse me, Wednesday, Vlogmas Day 14. So we were on the downhill slide. It is 48, feels like 44. We have a bit of a breeze this morning. We're going to get up to 54 for the high. So that little storm that we had brought in a little cool front. So when we're supposed to be having cooler temperatures for, I think, the 10-day forecast. So I'm out walking, and then when I get in, we'll do the coffee advent calendar, and I'll make some breakfast because I'm starving already. It's about 9:30. So haven't decided yet what it's going to be. Something with eggs. I love my eggs. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. I'm back from my walk, and we're fixing breakfast. I'm going to show you really quick my omelet. I think I've before, but this is my 3-egg omelet. I put a little bit of Swiss because I had some Swiss left over from the Rubens the other night, and then just some tomato slices. So I've already kind of torn it, so I don't know how it's just gonna, you know, it is what it is, but it works. And then I will plate it over here with a piece of toast. This is the last of the pastrami, and then some strawberries. So let's go get us today's coffee. So there's the cup, and we are on 14. And, oh, it's right here. Let's see what 14 is. It is cinnamon French toast. Oh, cool. That's going to be good. All right, let's get that going. And I need to heat up my milk, and I'm going to eat my breakfast, and then I will come back in just a little bit, and we'll talk some more. But I'm hungry. Well, hello everybody. Okay, it's late in the afternoon, close to evening. I have spent the day, most of the day, editing the video that I did, that I put up just a little bit ago about getting ready with me for the Christmas party. So I got that put up, and I realized I hadn't eaten since this morning, since breakfast. So I warmed up a bowl of chili, the white chicken chili that I made the other day. So I'm gonna chow down on this. I did have to go do an errand today, and then because the light is best during the middle of the day in the living room where the puzzle is, I made quite a bit of progress on that, so I'll show you that here in just a little bit. But trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you to do today about, it's been cold today. I mean, the wind, I think the wind has been out of the northwest like 13 miles an hour, so it's still kind of chilly. I think it didn't get up as warm as they said it was going to. The last I checked, it was like 56. So it's still chilly, but our temperatures are going to start dropping. So I know we've got some nights into the 20s next week. And I'm starting to think about what I'm going to do for Christmas dinner. I do have input from my daughter. She wants, her vote is for the, I called it the drunken roast that I made last year. Last year she worked on Christmas Day, so we had to have, we celebrated everything on the day after. So, but I'll confer with the rest, and see, and then start making plans for that, because it's going to be right around the corner. And I got to start wrapping gifts. I haven't even started that. They're all in the back room in sacks. I got to get to it. So I'm going to have my chili, and I'll come back and show you the puzzle when Patrick gets here, and we'll do the calendars, and hopefully he won't get a bad beer tonight. Hello. All right, so here is the puzzle. Let me turn it back around. Here is, see, I'm almost there. Almost done. Coming on the home stretch. So yes, so let's go take a look at these advent calendars. June has been circling under the table like a little shark. So let's find Chico. Chico, where are you? Chico, where'd you go? There he is. Okay, come on, let's go. Let's go. Look who's here.
Who?
It's Santa Baby.
Oh, it's me. Okay.
Santa Baby. And they're ready.
Your tails are wagging. Why is that? Just asking
Dun,
for
dun,
a
dun, dun,
friend.
dun, dun, dun.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Don't even think about it. Don't even think about it.
She's like, okay, I got mine. And she goes like, okay. He said, can I go back to bed now?
Yeah, probably will. Yeah.
All right. He says,
Somebody's got to do it.
he said, well, just in case.
Yeah. You never know.
Oh, do you need out? He does.
Okay.
All right, Santa Baby.
All right.
Birds, cold out there.
But, yeah. I just got home and, hey, I'm still cold, so.
I know, it's been
Jacket
cold
soon.
all day. All right, now June, you wanting to go out too? Yes. Okay.
What are we on, 14?
14.
Yeah, we're in this guy. Man. Just wasn't getting it up today. It's pine cone now.
No pine cones.
No, come on.
What is it?
Be a sport. Well, let me find out with my glasses. Undivided.
Undivided. Okay.
Yep.
That must mean it's whole.
I'm guessing. Yeah.
All right, I'll take a glass then.
It's a Pinot Noir.
Pinot Noir. Okay.
It is a product of France.
France. Frankenstein.
Yeah.
No, France.
Yeah.
France.
Pretty much, buddy.
I hear scratching at the
Yeah.
door.
There's a surprise.
One chi, two chi. Okay.
Yeah. There you go, Bill.
All right. Pretty. Cheers. Nice.
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 Nice is good.
All right, get
See what buttocks awaits me tonight. Yeah.
right there.
Yeah, if it's one of these cans, you know it's going to be just straight up buttocks.
Uh-huh. The psychedelic.
Yeah. India Pace Ace. Okay. So really what they're signifying is it's ace, spelled A-C-E, but we also know it could be A and then a couple other.
S.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Dollar sign.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Well, let's just see, shall we?
Take a sip.
Yeah, well. It's not that just in your face, just, you know, this just totally sucks, but, you know, it's not far from it.
It's not far from it. But you will not let it go to waste either.
Well, no.
That would be called alcohol.
Oh, well, no, we will not have it.
That's called alcohol abuse.
It is. We won't have it. will not. Alright, in there, tucked away. And let's see, some cheesy wheeze. Let's see.
Gouda, cheddar.
I have never heard of this. Smoked ass. Oh, excuse me. Buttock, sorry. Oh. Doing comedy with it.
Okay.
Yeah, smoked paprika Gouda.
Smoked paprika Gouda. Okay, that's got promise.
Could be good. Most
I
of the
like
cheeses
some-
have been pretty good, haven't they?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I've had smoked Gouda before, but I don't think I've ever had, I'm not in here, but I think I've had smoked without, not paprika in it, but smoked Gouda is good.
How about smoked trout?
No.
Thought it has.
No.
For a friend. Of course.
All right, let's look at this.
That's what the Cranks had. They had smoked trout.
Smoked trout, yeah. Well, no one ate it, though.
Oh, yeah.
Their neighbor took pity on them and shared a turkey with them,
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah,
And the honey
animals don't
baked
even
ham
eat
that's all
smoked trout.
gelatin that got run over.
Oh man, no kidding. Well, back in the day, a lot of people used the old canned ham.
Oh, my mother did, I know,
It's
yeah.
like, really?
Yeah, I didn't have a spiral ham until I was in my 20s
Dude, yeah,
when that came about.
they were always done.
Remember that time I decided we were going to have a spiral ham for Christmas, I think it was, and I went to go get it, and I didn't realize that there was a line around the block until I got there. And we said, nope, we're not doing that.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, exactly. These are always an adventure. 14, there it is. Okay.
Is it chocolate?
Smoked chocolate.
Smoked chocolate.
Sounded good.
Ooh, a chocolate square.
A
Okay.
square, yeah.
Cool. All
about
right,
that?
I got stuff here.
How about that, Bill?
All right. Well, let's turn around.
All right.
And we will. Okay, we went to the Christmas party last night and we had a very, very good time.
No, it was good. It was good.
It was nice, wasn't it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
definitely.
Still need to give feedback on the service, but the food was excellent.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
It was, yeah.
So,
Absolutely.
all right. This was day 14. Do you realize that tomorrow we're 10 days away? So that means we're 11 days away from right now. So, or, let's see, 10 days away from Christmas Eve. It's almost here.
And 3 days away from the aardvarks getting out.
Oh boy.
I thought I'd make your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Aardvarks are children. That's what we call them. Ours are grown, so we can do that. So there you
Yeah,
go.
yeah. They're loud.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Oh, and I hate it when they're at the store too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we're going to get out of here. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 15.
Peace.